This is Dr. Paul, and we're here with Dr. Chris. And Dr. Chris just attended our personal injury attorney educational sales program. And what we did is we had 14 attorneys together, and none of them were referring. And we do what's called educational sales. And that's the only type of marketing that gets attorneys to refer out of publicity, advertising, or educational sales, because they don't have a perceived need for chiropractic care. So you attended that.
It was amazing.
And amazing in what way? So let me ask you this. At the beginning, could you see how they were kind of pompous when they came in there?
Absolutely.
You didn't show a lot of respect, right?
Yeah, they didn't even know why they were there.
Right. And then about how long did it take before you saw that I pretty much owned them and they needed me?
I would say within the hour, probably within an hour, hour and a half max.
And did you see how many of those 14 signed up for referrals for us at the end?
They all did.
All of them signed up for referrals at the end.
Oh, yeah.
So we went from 0 to all 14 at the end.
Unbelievable.
And again, if that's only one PI case a month, right, at $3,000,
right,
that's over $500,000 a year. So that was one 3-hour lecture. Wasn't that pretty interesting?
Yeah, they can't come to that
Yeah.
and leave not.
Did you see how I took them just step by step through the whole process?
Yeah, amazing.
And you see how it's cookie cutter?
Absolutely.
You see how you could do that?
Yeah, I totally can do it.
Right.
Can't wait.
All you got to do is know the formula, right?
Yeah.
All you got to do is follow the formula. And by the way, that's what we do. We have the PowerPoints and books and all that. And so all you got to do is follow the formula.
Yeah.
And you knew I told you what to expect prior to you get there, right?
Absolutely.
Because there's the content side,
Yeah.
but there's the educational side.
Yeah, the delivering.
Educational sales. Yeah. And it's the marriage of both of those. Mm-hmm. And that's what you saw with the attorneys. Did you see how they went from a state of what we call unconscious incompetence to conscious incompetence?
Absolutely.
In about an hour.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that was pretty phenomenal.
You could see the light bulb go off. They wanted to do business.
Right.
They learned.
And they all jumped up at the end, signed up, and they're looking to do referrals and for me to do business with them. So
Absolutely.
that was pretty. Yep, that was one 3-hour talk.
Yeah.
To increase our business over $500,000. Have you ever seen that in chiropractic?
Never.
And you can do that now, can't you?
I can't wait to do it. I know I can do it.
Right.
Yeah.
Yep. Thanks a lot.
Appreciate it.